Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, tech's getting whacked. But man, we sold the one. See, this is really interesting. So we started the year, and we only did two things. So we had some SPX puts, not a lot of them, and again, we didn't buy a lot of them. And we had coin, but we bought a lot of coin, 100 of them, and we sold them to cover the puts to be up 10 grand for the year. Wanted to start the year good, right? Now we did put that into Boeing. Okay, that's okay. But we got time. But if you would have held coin, they're going to be $11. They're going to be $11. It would have been 110 grand from 15 grand, and you would be up 100 grand to start the year. It's going to be up 100. I mean, you could see that. Let me tell you guys. Remember, I tell you stuff. We may play both sides of it, even though we tell you. But here's the thing. Coin makes $0 more. Well, not zero. They make more. Being a custodian. What was a custodian? They're going to have all these accounts. They're going to have these accounts for BlackRock when the ETF is created. But coin was at $70. And you think they're going to get double the amount of business once this thing? Yeah, I mean, you're disillusional. People are disillusional. Okay? MicroStrategy getting impaled. The thing could be 600 today. Bitcoin, 45, almost 46,000 to 42,000. Complete collapse. And let me tell you, things that you should remember, simple things. If the market is going down and the market is going to crater, why would Bitcoin go up? Really? Bitcoin 38,000, 31,000 when we were at 3,800 on SPX. So if you know that, why would people buy Bitcoin yesterday with the market down? So either two things were going to happen. Bitcoin was going to go way much higher, but that means SPX would have went way much higher. And they were wrong. They were different. Okay? So, I mean, but here's something to look for, and this is why I bought coin. Look at coin go. Jesus, going to really regret the sell on this one. Because it was the new year. If it wasn't a new year, it would have held the thing. Just you don't want to start the year off bad, so be down on both. So you sell the one to cover the other one and be positive. Okay? It's going to collapse. So anyway, but why did I buy coin? Okay, guys, type this in real quick. It's a quiz. Going to give you a quiz. Why did Sam buy coin yesterday? And if you get this right, that means you've arrived and become Sam. Come on. Nobody's typing. Everybody's like, well, we're not Sam. We're not Sam. We're not Michigan fans. We're not Michigan fans. We're not Cowboy fans. Okay, come on. Okay, here's why I bought coin. No point for coin to go up because Bitcoin went. No, that's true, but coin was in an uptrend. But here's the thing: what you see. If coin was at 188 at 3 a.m. and I gave you the 3 a.m. number, if coin was at 188 and MicroStrategy was at 700 because MicroStrategy was up. MicroStrategy is up 50. Coin is up 13. And then coin opened negative. It opened negative. But MicroStrategy stayed up. So that means there were sellers in coin. That's all you needed to know. There were sellers in coin. Okay? Wow. Is it really that easy, Sam? It is. It really, really is. And straight down. Okay? Because they go in tandem. But anyway, coin, so they've become a bank. So BlackRock is going to do the transactions. They're going to pay fees, but they're not going to pay coin's fees. Coin is ridiculously stupid. Okay? I mean, they think they're Merrill Lynch from the 1980s. They think, oh, you want to buy 100 shares of stock, it's going to cost you $70. That's coin. Okay? So But here's the thing. Now, maybe coin pops because this ETF thing is going to come around the 10th. But let me tell you, if they break coin 130, this thing's going to be $100 so fast you're going to make your head spin. Wow. But Sam, it was just 170. Doesn't matter. Should have never been up. Doesn't mean it doesn't go up. But, okay, so just understand that. That's why we bought coin. Lily is moving. Does it get through 603? Remember, we've been waiting for this 603. So let's say you wait for something for 3 years. You sit next to the hottest girl, the absolute hottest girl in 10th grade. Sam did this. Sat next to the hottest girl. And then she finally starts talking to Sam. After years, 3 years. And Sam's like, no. He just kind of still panics. He just panics. Okay. Just kidding. Trying to make you laugh. Okay. So well, maybe not. Okay. So, yeah, it was kind of wimpy back then. Okay. So if you're waiting for 603, and it happens, are you going to miss it? If she talks to you, you're going to just like, I didn't hear you? Really? Come on. Okay? Don't miss it. We have NVIDIA 503. On the break, you can't miss it. Because here's what's going to happen on the break. If it breaks and goes to 504, 505, what is every money manager in the whole world going to do? Come on. Type it in. Giving you guys quizzes. New year. Come on. Nobody's typing it in. Everybody's like sleeping. They're like, Sam's going to think I'm a wimp. No. Sam was wimpy in high school, but that's okay. But, okay, come on. Here's what they're going to do. No, but what are they going to do specifically? Don't say buy. What are they going to specifically do? Because this will make you a great trader, not a good trader, a great trader. Come on, guys, look. What are they going to do? They're going to buy it if it breaks 503, NVIDIA, but what are they going to do on top of that? They're going to buy it with a 500 stop, guys. They're going to buy it with a 500 stop. If NVIDIA goes to 504, 505, you buy the stock, the funds. Now, you can do however you want to trade it. But they're going to buy it. They're going to buy the stock with a 500 stop. So your downside risk is 3 points. Your upside goes to 550. Right? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So now, what happened last week, like I kept telling you, what did every money manager do on NVIDIA when it got to $4.99? What did they do? Come on, guys. This is learning 101. This can make you great. Yeah, they sold it, but what did they do? What did they sell it? They sold NVIDIA and did what? They shorted it with a 503 stop on the upside. Because if you shorted it at $4.99, if it breaks 503, you don't want to be long. I'm sorry, you don't want to be short, right? So just the opposite. And what did they do? They made 25 points, right? Wow. I hope you just learned. Look at this coin collapse. MicroStrategy is going to 600 maybe today. Wow. Okay, SPX. Here's the thing. It had 10 days. To get to 4,800. Can't do it. You know why? Because the people on CNBC and all these other people, oh my God, we're up 9 weeks in a row. We're up 9 days in a row. Oh my God, San Francisco won 3 games in a row. They can't win another one. I'm telling you, people get stupid. But that's okay. Because then you have to understand how stupid plays. And because the market couldn't get through, it went down. So today is very simple. Does it take out 4,700 on the downside? It should test it. It probably tested it open. Okay? And if it breaks, it's going to go to 46.52. That's why we bought these puts. Because if it breaks, they're going to go to $50. 2 to 50. If it doesn't break, it's going to go back by the end of the week and hit 4,800. I can't tell you what it's going to do. But I can tell you they're selling all the winners. And when you sell winners to buy shit, people get dumb. Okay? Think about it. Let's go buy Affirm. Look, Affirm ain't making any more money. And if there's a recession, they're going to get collapsed to $10. But doesn't mean for those days it wasn't good. For those days it wasn't good. It was good. Because that was the trend and that's where it's going. Doesn't mean it's a good stock. It's a shit stock. People selling NVIDIA, people selling AMD. Now, AMD has a problem, and they haven't given you the answer yet. Microsoft has a problem. Okay? And we'll tell you those problems here in a minute. But when you sell good stuff to buy shit, that tells you market has a problem. So just understand and wait. Just wait. Tesla. People like, oh my God, Tesla numbers are so good. I'm like, a little laughing emoji back to them. Look, less people want EVs. Now, I understand you're in California, all this other plus. I mean, people telling me superchargers are charging $15 to $20. A supercharger costs you $20, and gas in Texas on a fill up on a X5 is only $45. Why do I want an EV? Right? Interesting. Yeah, and I understand you can believe what you want to believe, but that's what we know. Okay. Okay. One more quiz, and we'll get started. Hope you learned something today. Look at this coin go. They may go to 15. So that, and then we have bought 100 of them. 150 going to go to 15. That's going to be 150,000 to start the year. Wow. Okay. What? Type this in. If you get this one right, you're getting a little bit better. Okay. What problem does AMD have? I'm going to give you 3 quizzes. What problem does Microsoft have? Come on. You guys should know this. What is Microsoft? There you go. Everybody's got this. Yes. Microsoft hasn't given you the numbers. They made shit up. They're saying, oh my God, we're going to charge $30. Nobody's going to pay $30. Very few companies are going to pay $30. They're not going to do it. They're going to tell them to F off. And Microsoft's going to say, but we love it. It's great for you. They're going to say, we're not going to do it. We have 40,000 seats. We're not paying you. We're lucky if we're going to do half the seats, and you're lucky if we're going to do it at half the cost. And they haven't given you the Copilot numbers. Yes, you guys did good. They haven't guided. If you're going to tell me the cost of the product, why are you not going to tell me how many people are buying it? And let me tell you, if Microsoft reports a number that's half of what they expect, it's at 310. Wow, Sam's going insane on the put side. No, just telling you. AMD. Why is AMD not guided? Everybody's like, oh, AMD is going to take all of NVIDIA's business. Okay. I don't have a problem with that, if that's what you're going to say. Oh, you've been out for 4 to 6 weeks and you didn't sell anything? You haven't told us if you sold anything? Isn't that interesting? Interesting, right? Now, if AMD would have come out today, and they're not going to, but if they were going to say, we are sold out, we don't have any chips left, it's at 170. Okay? So they haven't given you that. Look at Lam Research go from 790 to 738. And there's another thing that Micron and Samsung just came out last night and said prices are going up 15%. Lam Research should be 800. But it's not because they're selling techs. And let them sell them. Let's see if we can test this 4,700 and see what happens. Okay. Hope you had good learning for the new year. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. SPX down 15. That puts it at 47. 47.27. It's 27 points lower. Possible test. Then we see 47.52 upside. Okay. Then we see. Okay. Very interesting. So one thing, just want to tell you the one there's a market to close number. Then there's a market to close NASDAQ. Now, we never really talk about that. But I got a call last night from a guy that said the market to close on the NASDAQ was $7.8 billion yesterday. And you've seen what they do. They ripped it, right? They ripped everything. Okay? But that doesn't mean it continues to rip this morning. They were just covering it. And Apple is a little bit lower. So then we see. Okay? Avago. I told you, it's not going to go 200 points in a week. This guy said, Sam, what if you buy Avago, 100 points up every week, and you put in $1 or something? I said, just give me your money. Okay? Avago, 11.52 up, beast, 10.24 down. NVIDIA. Watch NVIDIA today. If NVIDIA goes positive, market goes positive. Okay? Two numbers you want to watch. You want to see NVIDIA if it goes positive, and you want to see Boeing if it goes positive. If those happen, the market will come back. Okay? NVIDIA 482, 494, 503. Downside 461. Adobe. I told you. I'm telling you. You guys got to listen and start watching these. Anything that goes down on earnings, 4 to 6 week avoid, it will cripple you. And then you can ask, you should actually go into, the principal's office into an elementary and ask him if he has a paddle. And just say, I bought Adobe because the numbers are good, but it went down, so it had to go up. No, it doesn't. 4 to 6 weeks, it doesn't. 609 Beast, Lam Research, 772, 719 if they take this thing down. Pan W, up too much. 292, 301, 262. Zscaler, up too much. This thing was 110. It went up 100 points. Guys, things don't go up 100 points. 216. Downside 191. Lilly. 603, 603, 603. This may open at 600. It may get through and be 632 today. It may hit 600. Don't get to 603 and it goes to 580 and it's done for the week. Very possible. AMD. 141. 132. MicroStrategy. Bitcoin collapsing. 618. Coin. 141. 141. 162. Goldman Sachs. 388. 391. Boeing. 253. Caterpillar. Okay. If the market starts to crater, this thing has 272 written all over it. Way down. Upside, could not get 300 in 5 trading days. Had 5 days, couldn't get through 300. BKNG, travel. Airports are packed. Everything's packed. 3,600, actually like the 3,700s for earnings. If it can get them at $1, $2, becomes a nice lot of, okay? Downside 3,200. CMG, it's down 100 points, guys, in 5 days. 5 days. Like the 23.50s for earnings, 100 points up at $1. They're not going to be $1, they're going to be 10. If you can get them for $1, if it collapses, we'll look at them. Okay? Netflix. Look, I keep telling you, if you sell subscriptions at $1 or $2 in India and tell me you have all these new subscribers, they're lying to you. Okay? If they miss subscribers, this is at 350. 350. 503. UPST, 51. 51. Wait, AFM, 51. Same number. SMCI, 272 down, 303 up. Microsoft, 366, 361, 372 up. NOW can't seem to break 709. Tesla, 241, 229, 266 on the upside. That's what we know, that's what we know, that's what we know. Wow. This is recorded. Watch it again and again. Very important. Gave you a lot of information today. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat. Say I'm going to Houston for the game. Michigan. Everybody have a good day. See you in chat.